these skills are going to carry them through their entire lives. So like little things that we do in the classroom, Ron, that you and I maybe take for granted, like cleanup, right? Like what's the big deal about that? How is that an executive function skill, or how is that supporting an executive function skill? Well, it's planning, right?
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
planning. We have to plan for cleanup. We have to plan how we're going to put the toys away and how quickly or not so quickly we're going to do it. There's a lot of planning that goes into this quote unquote transition kind of. And, I don't know that we always see the importance of some of these little things that we do. And also cleaning up for kids is something a lot of teachers tend to do, I noticed.
Yeah, they pick all that stuff up. It was very interesting because my love and I teach our yoga karate class, and there was one we were both sitting crisscross with the kids, and we were doing our mat chat, and then all of a sudden, like one of the kids wanted something, and I go and my love was going to get up and go do it, and I go no, don't even worry about it, let him do it, and I go, Noah, can you go over there and blah blah. He's like, yep, and he goes and he does it, and he helps the other kid out, and she sat there like what? Like, yeah, it's not, especially and her perspective of it was very interesting. Was from she mentioned that from a female perspective, and that caretaker role is taking care of everyone. And I can't even imagine, like, I mean, I used to watch a show called Shameless, which is like about a family, and the oldest daughter would take care of all the other kids and this and that. But everybody worked together and everybody helped each other out because it's like, the raising village. What is that quote?
Oh, it takes a village to raise a child. Yeah.
Exactly. Which is why it's beautiful when you can recognize which children are the ones that are going to be like, wow, if I treat this child with the respect, that if I give them the respect, not you need to give me respect before I give you respect. Like that's oppositional silliness. But if I look at that kid, and especially when I meet a brand new neurodiverse kid, I'm like, oh my goodness. Some people go, and I go, oh, my class is going to be able to run so much smoother because there's a lot less stuff I'm going to have to do once I get him on board with the program, and that's where the whole behavior mastery system comes in.